Later that night, Becky and Bob play checkers.
Man, I can't believe Chuck got away.
Is that a hiccup I hear? Don't worry, I know how to get rid of those hiccups using a special remedy I learned from old Doc Botsford.
Who?
I never told you about old Doc Botsford? He was a distant relative who always had the best home remedies.
Did they work?
Occasionally. Wait right here. For a surefire hiccup remedy, have yourself some herbal tea.
Ugh, that is gross.
Yep, that's the powdered eggs you're tasting.
Hey, I think it may have worked.
Ha-ha! Yes! Old Doc Botsford, you're a genius. Well, pepper my salsa. I can't believe the herbal tea failed. Let me think. What was old Doc Botsford's other hiccup remedy? Oh! Stand on one foot. Now recite the alphabet backwards.
C-Y-X-W. Oh!
Okay. I've got one more idea. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Ha! Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Laughter. It's woohoo. It's so contagious. Can't stop laughing.